Good day, everyone. Learn how to set password in Windows 11 laptop, and whether it's a HP, Dell, Lenovo, Asus, the steps will remain same. So here in the start icon, do a right click and then go to settings. Once you find the settings, once you click on that, you will find an option called accounts, and we will click on that. And here, scroll down. You will find sign-in options: Windows Hello, security key, password, dynamic lock. Now, if you want to set the PIN, the Windows Hello, sign in with a PIN recommended, you can change it. You can change the PIN from here. And if you have the password option, you will have the password. You just need to click on that. And then you need to click on change password. All right, so the PIN is done. You can also set up the fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, and if you're using Microsoft account, then you can simply click on change your Microsoft account password. I mean, if you're using online account. If you're using local, you can set the additional PIN method from here. So even I also use this PIN method, right? So you can also try that, and you can also use the facial recognition and fingerprint. So you can change the PIN as well as the password from here. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. And if you have any query regarding the changing password or any issues, you can let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. And please do share this tutorial with your loved ones, family and friends. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.